In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from SurveyMonkey to Excel. If you've been collecting valuable feedback or survey responses in SurveyMonkey, you might be eager to get those insights into Excel for more in-depth analysis. You're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to make this process smooth and straightforward. First things first, we need to log into SurveyMonkey. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to surveymonkey.com. Once there, simply sign in with your account credentials to access your dashboard, where all your surveys are housed. If you haven't already created your account, now's the time to do so to successfully follow along with these instructions. Once you're logged in, it's time to move on to the next stage, opening your survey results. You'll find yourself on your account dashboard. From here, take a moment to locate the specific survey that holds the data you want to work with. Click on the name of the survey to open it. Once opened, you'll notice there are several tabs towards the top. Click on the one labeled Analyze Results. This will redirect you to a detailed page that showcases all the responses collected for that particular survey. Now it's time for the all-important step of exporting the data. While in the Analyze Results section, keep an eye out for the Export button. It's typically found near the top right corner of your screen. Click it and a menu will appear, offering you options on what data to export. Depending on your needs, you can choose either all responses data for detailed individual responses or summary data for an overview. To ensure compatibility with Excel, select XLSX as your export format. This choice allows for an easy transfer and manipulation of data in Excel. Next, with your preferences selected, it's time to prepare to download your data. Click the Export button to initiate the process. You'll want to be patient here, as SurveyMonkey takes a moment to generate the file you need. Once ready, a download link will appear. Click on this link to download the file to your computer. After downloading, open the .xlsx file in Microsoft Excel. Finally, with your data now in Excel, you have numerous possibilities for analysis. This is where you can employ filters, pivot tables, or charts to make sense of your data and even uncover trends or insights hidden within. Excel provides a robust platform for analyzing and visualizing your survey responses effectively. As a helpful tip, if your work frequently involves syncing data automatically from SurveyMonkey to platforms like Google Sheets or Excel Online, consider using integration tools like Zapier or Make.com. These tools can streamline your workflow by automatically transferring responses as they're collected, allowing you to focus more on analysis and decision making. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily transfer your SurveyMonkey data into Excel for powerful insights and action. Thank you for watching, and I hope this